In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendwave to send money to Kenya 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a recipient, choose the right options, and complete a transfer with confidence. Start by opening your Sendwave app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if you haven't used the app in a while, it helps to update to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once the app launches, log into your account using your usual sign-in method. Many users have a passcode or biometrics enabled. Use whatever you've set up to access your account securely. After you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your home base where you can view recent activity and start a new transfer. From here, you can immediately begin the process of sending money. Look for the option to manage or select a recipient. If you've sent money before, you'll see existing contacts. If not, choose the option to add a new recipient. When adding a recipient, change the recipient's country to Kenya. This ensures the app shows Kenyan shillings and the appropriate delivery options. Next, select how the recipient will receive the funds. In Kenya, common choices include mobile money or a bank account. Pick the option that matches how your recipient wants to get the money. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their mobile wallet or bank records. Precise spelling matters to avoid delays. Then enter the recipient's mobile number and retype it to confirm. Double check the number carefully. Even a single digit off can cause issues. When everything looks correct, tap save so the details are stored for future transfers. With the recipient saved, continue to send. Now choose how you want to pay for the transfer. Depending on your region, you might see options like a debit card, a linked bank account, or a mobile wallet. Select the funding method you prefer. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will show the estimated fee, the exchange rate, and the amount your recipient will receive in Kenyan shillings. Review these details, and if the app displays a review screen, take a moment to confirm the recipient name, number, and delivery method. When you're ready, continue to send and then confirm the transfer. You may be asked to approve the payment with a passcode or a bank verification step. Keep the app open until you see a success message. That's it. Your recipient will typically receive funds quickly, especially with mobile money. You can track the transfer in your activity history and share the confirmation if needed. Thanks for watching and happy sending.